on and now, you know, so KG, I was there with another video, you see me I say. The other day we make some Irish mash, changback, yeah this time, you see me I say. Check out the video there and like it. And make sure to subscribe to the channel, you see me I say. But today now, I make some smoothie, you see. Keep the skin smooth and nice, you see. So catch me, get the stuff together and I peel up the pine. Catch me. So yeah now, we're there, we will peel up the pine. See the pine here, fresh off the farm, you see me I say. So we will hold it like this. I'm going to peel it on this, you know, because we want the skin to make juice. So first I'm going to cut off the part here. You'll see just like that. Make sure your knife is sharp, you see me I say. And then you're going to peel it come back like this. You see me? Make sure to watch it on because it's tricky fire, you see it. So you have to watch and be careful. Make sure you handle it rough because you can't get soft, you see it. You have to leave it way rough. Catch it off. You see it. As you can see, we almost finished already. Nothing hard. Once the knife sharp. So yeah guys, as you can see, fine already finished up. See it. So this part here now is how we do it. You see it? You add it. You see it. You add it like this. So I will move to them pan anything here. There we go. So easy one step, just cut each side and dash out. You dash out. You see it? Just like that. So yeah guys, as you can see, fine finished peeling. Now them thing there come out. See them right here, so you see these are make juice, pine and ginger, you see what I say? So your pine finished just like that. You see it. So yeah guys, after you finish peeling your pine and cutting it up, make sure to save the head because you can plant it in your garden. Get some more fresh pine, you see what I say? So all you have to do is dig a hole and stick this in a hole and just, yeah, 1 year time, yeah, pine and grow again. Now we got our fruits here. So first now we got our plantain, our banana, a cucumber, we got some coconut, papaya, these are Jamaican apple, you see it? Jamaican apple that. And we got some peanut, you see what I say? So we got some oats also, natural, you see what I say? Quick oats. And you have the pine already, I already see the pine. So guys, you know the orange juice. So I work with a liquid orange juice, you see. So catch it in a blender. So yeah, and the blender side there now, you see me I say. So we'll go ahead and put in everything one by one. I can do it one time if I want to, you see me, but take the time and put in everything. You see it. So you need to dash with the but so you go. Everything on going there. You see it. Showing that. Now we have a point here, so make 2 small cuts already still. But I cut it up some more, you see, and cut it up some more. I'm too pressure blender, you see me I say? Pine juicy, you know? Juice and run out of pine, you see me? Now I'm going to have my hands, I take my time. Now I look at oats. Pour a little bit. Not too much thing, just look at it. You see. Yeah, think that good enough. Then I have my orange juice, as I say, never an orange. So I use some orange juice. Just throw it in just like that. You see. Milk alkaline water here, so there. I know so I add a bit of water in there. So go ahead, throw in that, like that, and then as I can say, look tasty already. You see me? So go ahead, cover it up, blend it up now. As I can see, everything look good in there. Catchy blend. So yeah guys, you know, got a bit of spice because I want to spice it up. So I have a little nutmeg here, make a grater. Go ahead and grate a little bit in there, see? Spice it up well. You see? Maybe I go mad. So yeah guys, as you can see, the nutmeg up on top of float. So we go ahead and cover it back again and give it a next blend. As I said, to catch it. So now we finish blend. So the best part this, you know, tasting. So now go ahead, take it off. And the cup I'm just in already. Pour it in there. Good. So yeah guys, as you can see, smoothie well pick up your seed. So I'm go ahead and taste it and make you know it tastes. Shot man, as you say, smoothie, well smooth. So make sure to subscribe to the channel now and like the video and share with a friend. As I say, I can represent and we out of here.